Heaven's got a Duro, heaven's got a Duro that's around me, with a pretty little angel in my shotgun seat. If heaven's got a Duro that leads way back to a field in a holler, I ain't ever coming back. If heaven's got a Duro, if heaven's got a Duro.
I live my life a little left to where I need to be. I tried my best to walk the path that was paved for me. I gotta get my life together, hope a God can see. I'll do what I can do before I'm 6 feet deep. I know that I ain't perfect, I hope that that's okay. They say when you die, you're in a better place. I'll be the judge of that, I guess I'll have to see. And when it's time to go, then I can
guarantee. If heaven's got a Duro that's around me, with a pretty little angel in my shotgun seat. If heaven's got a Duro that leads way back to a field in a holler, I ain't ever coming back. If heaven's got a Duro, if heaven's got a Duro somewhere I can let go, we gon' roll the windows down tonight. If heaven's got a Duro, we gon' let her roll cold, we gon' have a good old time tonight. In the front seat, woman up that cute beam, shining them cornfields, passing that all 6 to me, telling me to pick one, take a breath and barely squeeze. No, I don't wanna miss a moment, so I hit my knees. Heaven's got a Duro that's around me, with a pretty little angel in my shotgun seat. If heaven's got a Duro that leads way back to a field in a holler, I ain't ever coming back. If heaven's got a Duro, if heaven's got a Duro, if heaven's got a Duro, if heaven's got a Duro. Rivers in me, it's all I wanna be. I just have to let it run. All the changes that its course arranges are the deeds that must be done. Tears of joy and tears of pain, the river takes them all the same. Deep river roaming, where I need to go. Give me the answers that only you know. I'm doing all I can to follow nature's plan, hold on to the hand of fate. Maybe I'll see the sun setting on the way I've